Hi, Courtney here with Indigo Marketing Agency. We're going to walk through how to add a floating schedule button to your website using Calendly. So I'm on Calendly and they have an example of it right here, this bottom right-hand corner buttons that says Get Started. It will stay there no matter where I am on the page. So I've logged into Calendly and I already have a meeting set up. So if you haven't already done so, you can do that. We need a meeting link available. And you're going to select that meeting, and that will take you into the page where you can change the different options for this meeting and set your preferences. What you'll look for is the blue share button in the upper right hand corner. If you click on that, a pop-up window will appear and you're looking for the add to website option. This will give you a couple of different options. It gives you some code to be able to add your Calendly calendar directly on a web page and as a pop-up text. But what we're looking for is the pop-up widget button, which is the middle choice right there. So you select that and continue. And here you have a couple of different options. You can change the background of the button color. So right now it's set to be just like this button right here. And you can also change the button text. So we're going to change it to schedule now. And from there, you'll just copy this embed code by clicking that button. And from there, you just take this code and you add it to the header of your website. And that's going to differ depending on the platform your website is built on. And the example that I'm going to use is going to be for a WordPress website. So I have my dummy WordPress website right here. And unfortunately, with WordPress, there isn't a very good way or easy way to access the header or background code of the website without a plugin, unless you're going to be working in the host of your website and working with the raw files. So we're going to add a new plugin here to be able to make it really easy to add this to the header of the website. So if you search for insert headers, this first one right here is great. It's got great ratings. That's the one that we usually use. I'm going to go ahead and install it. And after it's done installing, I have to activate it. And then on the left-hand side in the menu, you'll see a new option. It says code snippets. And if you hover over that option in the pop-up menu, you'll want to select header and footer. Now, adding code to the header of a website just means that code will be initialized or ran with every page view. So if you have Google Analytics, you probably already have something on your website to add code to the header of your website. If you have specific editors on your WordPress site, like Elementor or Divi, a lot of times those fancier editors will have options to add code to the header of your website within that editor. Not the case with this site. So this is just another option, but make sure you're doing what works for your website. So I have that code already copied. I'm just going to paste that here. Again, this is also where I would go and add a Google Analytics tracking code if I were to add one. And then I just save the changes. And now if I come here and revisit my website, it's going to load and I see that schedule now button right here that when I click on it, it pops up with that calendar. So let us know if you have any questions.